Okay, good morning, students. Today, continue lesson chapter 4 Political Concepts. Okay, political concept. Topic now. Topic is justice. Okay, justice. Justice. Okay, we are going to before previous classes law, liberty, equality. Okay, we are already discussed three type of concepts: law, liberty, equality, and characteristics of equality. Okay, the types of equality we are discussed in previous classes. Now, justice. It is the main important of terminology and main important of word under the political ideology. Okay, definitions and meanings. Justice, definitions and meanings. Definitions and meanings. Okay, the justice is actually in which word? Latin word. Which word? Latin word. Latin word. The justice first Jewish just or justus. It is the derived. The justice is derived from Jewish just or justus. Okay, it is called justice. So this derived from which word? Latin word. Just means it is rule or law. Okay, it is called rule or law. Justice now is called justice. Okay, so this is the main. It is also called ecological science. Ecological science and epic. One of the epic also. So the old land is one of the Greek Roman scientist. Greek or Roman scientist. Justice is it is the rule of the law, and all are equal before the law. So the law is mainly here every one person, everyone society, everyone in a type of person. We will discuss about justice. So the justice in behaviorism, the people of behaviorism, the people of characters, the people concept. Okay, the people in characteristics of the peoples, concept of the peoples. Here mainly will equality and justice are common words under the concept equality and justice. Okay, so the justice it is the mainly the democratical valuable democratical permanent word. This is the justice is it is ruling every one person, every one citizen of the country. So the meaning of justice it is called justice. It is also called justice. This means bond. Okay, it is the mainly fitting a bond. Fitting a bond. Okay, what is the meaning of justice? Fitting a bond or next tie. Fitting a bond or tie or banding or next banding. Okay, and behaviorism. It is also called behaviorism. Behaviorism. Okay, so different types of meanings are there. Justice. The justice mainly this is the derived from this word is called Latin word just, it is also called law. Just after it is called justus. Justus too, it is now justice. So justus means in main meaning here fitting a bond, fitting a bond or tie, and it is also called banding, banding or characteristics or behaviorism. Okay, behaviorism or characteristics of society, characteristics of the every citizen. So the justice, it is the mainly a constitutional main important of world permanent of world justice. Here all are justice, law and judiciary. These are the under the principles of law. Okay, principles of the law. The law is also categories of and different type of meanings are there. Okay, so the justice is also mainly every citizen, every democratic country, the people mainly wanted here everyone people compulsory need equality main important. Okay, first one is liberty, equality or freedom. Okay, liberty or freedom, equality and justice. Okay, these are the main important of the under the concept of political science. So this is the behaviorism and characteristics of whole country, characteristics of the nation. Okay, tagging and banding of the nation and bondage or tie system. Okay, fitting of the nation, fitting of the state or fitting of the nation. So these are mainly meanings of characteristics of in every society. Okay, behaviorism, characteristics, total and social sciences. Okay, the social sciences, it is the different type of one of the greatest political philosophers. Political philosophers explain justice. Okay, now we will topic definition of the definition and some important meanings of justice. Okay, number one, Plato, Aristotle, and Barker. Okay, here three type of person explain the main justice. One Plato, and next Aristotle, Barker and Julian. Okay, Julian. Plato, Aristotle, Barker and Julian. Here different type of meanings are there under the about justice. Plato is the mainly characteristics of in every society, and the justice is commonly known as the every citizen. Every citizen compulsory follow the under the rule of law and characteristics of the justice. Who is explained? One of the greatest of the philosopher, greatest of the political philosopher, Plato. Okay. Next to Aristotle. Aristotle is the main greatest of the philosopher. He is mainly behaviorism and characteristics of society. The justice is nothing about behaviorism. Okay. The behaviorism or another name log or logging or characterism of the society, so it is called justice. Okay, under the one of the greatest Greek and Latin or one of the scientists, the Roman type of scientist also, the justice is about every one person. Okay, it is mainly common people, particularly common type of people. Next to Barker. The Barker, he will say particularly justice is, it is the mainly ideological of and common people theory system, ideological of the people, and the society it is mainly with different type of societies are there. The particularly common people. The common people mainly effect of the system. The common people theory. The common people effect of the system or common people of the theory. It is called justice. Who is saying Barker. Barker is also one of the Greek scientists. Okay, greatest Greek philosopher and greatest Greek scientist. Next to Julian. Julian is also one of the mainly greatest of the philosopher. Okay, the Roman philosopher Julian also saying justice is it is nothing about one of the people. It is about a law. The law is controlled by the head of the executives, head of the person. So the head of the person is different type of characters there in every citizen. Okay, every one person. So these are the mainly it is called justice. Mainly explained about Julian. Okay, so this is the main definition and meanings of justice. The justice it is nothing about it under the characteristics of the society, characteristics of the society and whole of the country and control of the nation, control of the every nation and every people. Okay, it is the main point of the justice type of characters. Okay, John Rawls. It is mainly concept of justice. Next topic, what is the next topic? The concept of justice. Types of justice. Concept of types of justice. Major concepts of justice. Next one, major concepts of justice. Major concept of justice. The justice it is the mainly characteristics and major concept. Okay. Already you know, number one it is called Greeks joint and Romans concept of justice. Greeks joints and Romans concept of justice. Okay, next number two, modern concept of justice. Modern concept of justice. Okay, Greeks, Stoics and Romans and concept of justice. Modern concept of justice. Next, John Rawls. Okay, John Rawls. John Rawls concept of justice. John Rawls concept of justice. Okay, number four, characteristics of justice. Characteristics of justice. So these are mainly major concept of justice. Major concept of justice. Okay, here broadly mainly modern types of justice and justice, modern types and contemporary theories of justice. Okay, so characteristics of justice and contemporary theory. Characteristics and contemporary theory of justice also we will discuss today. Contemporary theory of justice. Okay, major concept of justice. Number one, what is the number one? Mainly Greeks, Stoics and Romans concept of justice. One of the Greek philosophers and Stoics. In greatest Stoic means here a great like a greatest main talent, intelligence. Okay, intelligence type of persons, intelligent type of persons. Romance concept of justice. That this is the mainly 16th to 17th centuries. This type of justice mainly Western countries are there. Which countries? Western countries like South European and Western European countries are the people of group of countries. We will already follow this type of justice. Greeks, and Greeks is also one of the greatest of the philosophers, and Stoics, ideological and greatest greatest type of persons, great persons. Romans also greatest person under the middle of the century. Okay, 12th century, middle of the 12th to 18th centuries. And this is the three type of concept: Greek, Stoics, and Romans concept of justice also we are discussing. Okay, this type of justice, every people, every citizen of the nation under the control by the under the behaviorism or under the ideological theory type of system. Okay, next modern concept of justice. Modern concept of justice, model here new type of system, new theory type of principles. The new theory system under the modern rules, new rules. Okay, modern concept of justice, this type of justice. Okay, this type of theory of justice, new type of rules and regulation, new type of follow the methods, new type of methods under the this type of justice. Under the this type is a modern concept of justice. Okay, next to John Rawls. John Rawls concept of justice. John Rawls, one of the greatest of thinker. Historically, John Rawls, one of the great philosopher. Okay, political philosopher. John Rawls concept. What is the main concept? The John Rawls concept. Here, society is totally different type of systems are there, like religious wise, regions wise. But all are under the follow the law, the follow the law and the follow the equality and law. It is common every man or every society under the whole nation. Okay, this type of system mainly explained the John Rawls. Every nation is common, and every man or every political person mainly under the control by the and depend on the society. This type of concept of justice, it is called John Rawls concept of justice. Next, number 4, contemporary theory of justice or characteristics of justice. Contemporary theories, contemporary type of issues, contemporary principles. Okay, the contemporary theory of justice also mainly this is mainly behaviorism of the society, greatest Greeks, Romans, and theories. Okay, and equality. These are the main under the permanent type of words under the constitution. Okay, so characteristics and contemporary issues, contemporary relatives of issue or one of the programs or any schemes. Okay, main problems. The society is under the people of the problems, people of these struggles under the this called contemporary theory of the justice. The theory is this mainly mentioned about under the theory rule of law. The theory is about to under the rule of law and secure of the life. Okay, the theory under the secure of the life, secure of the life and the power of the life, power of the nation or power of the life. Okay, secure of the life and power of the life. This type of justice, it is called mainly contemporary theory, contemporary issues. Okay, the contemporary issues type of justice. Okay, these are mainly major concepts of justice. How many types? Four types. Number one, Greeks and Swans, Romans concept of justice. Okay. Number two, modern concept of justice. Number three, John Dawes. John Dawes concept of justice. Number four, characteristics of contemporary issues, theory of justice. Contemporary issues of theory of the justice. So these are many major type of concept of under the justice type of feelings. Source of the life. Next to types of justice. Next to types of justice. Number one, legal justice. Number two, political justice. Legal justice. Number one. Number two, political justice. Number three, economical justice. Economical justice. And number four, social justice. Social justice. Okay, these are main important types of the justice. Important types of the justice. Number one, legal justice. The legal type of affairs, legal type of rules. Legally, the justice is legal or illegal. Okay, these are mainly discussed about under the justice or law. Justice or law. Legal type of justice. Mainly, these are this type of justice characteristics of human. Characteristics of every human, and caste and creed, religion. Okay, all multiple type of nations. These are mainly explained under the legal type of society, security and society. So this type of is called legal type of justice. Next, political justice. Politically, the people are different. The political type of system, political concept. So the political justice also mainly here politically the group of life is different political ways, and it is mainly concept, the political concept and political viewers. Okay, and humans, every humans also mainly politically the people of life is totally different, the political parties. Okay, the political justice under the every society and every political theory. Next, economical justice, political and economical. Political and economical type of justice. Economically, the people of the nation are different, but we are follow the whole total one type of nation only. So the economically people mentioned here clearly. Economically wise poor or rich. Okay, economically improve the development of characters, development of the nation. So economically development of the nation under the whole nation. So this is the mainly effect of the under the gender, religious group and caste. Okay, under the gender, religious group and caste and creed also. So this type of justice mainly help of the every citizen of the nation. So this type is called economical type of justice. And number four, social justice. Okay, social justice. Society in different type of multiple type of nations. The multiple groups, nation or groups. So the multiple groups, the multiple nations, society. It is all type of characters are all type of characters are there. All types of characters. So this all type of characters mainly in social groups, economical and political, economical, social group, intellectuals, problems intellectually and legally. We are discussing about under the social justice. Okay, under the gender and religious and reasons. Okay, under the characters, particularly characters. The characters also everyone is different. So the social total whole of the nation, every country, every nation, all over the world, social justice also mainly we will help of the common people, common society. Okay, common people and common society. So these are main important and types of the justice. Okay. Now today, what is the meaning of justice? Okay, definition and meanings. Definitions and meanings of justice. Okay, next characteristics of justice. Next types of justice. Okay, this type of justice we will discuss about today. Okay, types of justice mainly it is conclusion about under the justice. The conclusion about justice it is modern type of nation. Modern nation and strong feelings under the rule of law. Okay, all are equally before the law. Okay, under the constitution rule and we are follow the every citizen under the every nation, every people. Okay, it is under the social and economical, political, legal type of justice. Social, economical, political, legal, and others characteristics of every citizen of the country. These are justice already developed from the under the Western countries in 16th century, 16th to 17th centuries. Okay, so these are mainly characteristics and types of justice. Okay, students, the justice under the conclusion. What is the main conclusion? The conclusion about on justice. The justice is mainly every citizen of humanism, every citizen of the character, and every citizen mainly bonding type of system, bonding labor. So the bonding labor remove of the freedom and remove equal type of freedom, equal justice. It is equality of the every citizen, every group of people, and every of the nation. So the conclusion about on the justice. The justice is here mainly four types of there. Okay. The types mainly legal justice, political justice, economical justice, social and social justice. So these are the mainly under the it is the common nation of the people, common nation. Okay, the nation is the nation common, the common nation of the people. It is under the political views and political theory, political views and political theory of the concept. So this is the conclusion about under the about justice. Okay. Next, other types of justice and political theory. Okay, we will discuss in next class other types of justice and political theory. Okay, students. Thank you.